Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The yen breached the key level of 145 a dollar for the first time in more than a week since Japan's intervention to prop up the currency, while sterling gave up some of its gains after a modest recovery at the end of last week. The Chinese owner of British Steel has asked the government for a rescue package of up to £500 million to keep open its vast steelworks in Lincolnshire, sparking renewed fears for thousands of jobs and the prospect of the closure of some of the UK's last blast furnaces. Asia's factory output mostly weakened in September as slowing demand in China and advanced economies added to the pain from persistent cost pressures, surveys showed, clouding the region's economic recovery prospects. The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair rose 1.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 3% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The US factory orders will be released at 1400 hours GMT, Spain's unemployment change at 0700 hours GMT, the US Redbook Index at 1255 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 0330 GMT, Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT, Australia's RBA Rate Statement at 0330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.